Science and Technology Zone. Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Science and Technology Zone. Kindly like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos. In this video, we will discuss data science and analysis, and all tools and skill required to be a successful data scientist and analyst. Data science is a field that involves using various scientific methods, processes, and algorithms to extract insights and knowledge from data. It combines statistical analysis, computer science, and domain expertise to understand and interpret complex data sets. Data analysis is a subset of data science that involves the process of cleaning/transforming/modeling data with aim to discover useful information, suggesting conclusions and supporting decision-making. The goal of data science and analysis is to make sense of large and complex data sets, and to extract useful information and insights from them. This information can then be used to solve real-world problems, make informed decisions, or develop new products and services. The process of data science and analysis typically involves several steps, including data collection, cleaning, analysis, and interpretation. Data scientists use a range of techniques and tools, such as machine learning, data mining, and predictive analytics, to extract insights and identify patterns in the data. Data science and analysis are used in many fields, such as business, healthcare, finance, and science, to help organizations make data-driven decisions and improve their operations. To be successful in data science and analysis, you will need a range of technical and analytical skills, as well as familiarity with various tools and technologies. Here are some of the key skills and tools that are commonly used in data science and analysis. Number 1. Programming languages. Data scientists and analysts need to be proficient in one or more programming languages such as Python, R, or SQL. Number 2. Data manipulation and analysis. Knowledge of data manipulation techniques such as data cleaning, data wrangling, and data aggregation is crucial. Familiarity with data analysis tools such as Pandas, NumPy, and SQL are also important. Number 3. Statistical analysis. A solid foundation in statistical concepts, such as probability theory, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis, is essential. Number 4. Machine learning. Understanding of machine learning algorithms and techniques is important for developing predictive models and analyzing data. Number 5. Data visualization. Ability to create visualizations such as graphs, charts, and dashboards to effectively communicate insights and results. Number 6. Big data technologies. Familiarity with distributed computing technologies such as Hadoop, Spark, and Hive can help in handling large datasets. Number 7. Domain expertise. Knowledge of the industry or domain where the data is being analyzed is important to understand the context and make informed decisions. Number 8. Communication skills. The ability to communicate complex technical concepts to non-technical stakeholders is critical to ensure that the insights from the analysis are understood and acted upon. Overall, data science and analysis requires a combination of technical skills, analytical thinking, and domain knowledge, as well as the ability to communicate insights and results effectively. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos.